All right, guys. I just wanted to do a quick rundown of the SPX trade that went over 600% using Heatseeker. So let's get into it. We're going to use the replay function of Skylit or Heatseeker, and it was around 11:50 where I alerted the trade, and I'll show you guys in the next screen. But we're on the replay function. It's 11:46 a.m. my time, and I think we were kind of chopping um, almost before this drop happened. Basically, there was a 6995 node up there, but I used that as resistance, and I did see this 6970 node just get bigger and bigger. If I actually let me go back a little more. That way, it gives myself a little more time. So yeah, around 1140, this 6970 node was just there, right? It's basically like a magnet. I was like, all right, this is kind of interesting. Still stuck there. And that's where I kind of took the puts right here, where it was still lighting up. The value did decrease a little bit, but I was kind of using this 6995 node as a resistance. And I'll show you the chart as well. But yeah, again, this actually, it's my first time using this replay function. Anyway, but yeah, so yeah, 6995 node was a resistance. This 6970 was lit up, and we just saw it grow in value. Took the puts right here. Value grew more, and then so I saw this, the 6970 node grow. Then if I look on the chart, so we're gonna put this thing. Boom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if you can, my recording skills are really bad. I entered at this candle right here. We did reject at the 69.90, so I took the puts here. And then I did see that random pump that hit over 69.90, so they got us in the first half, I'm not gonna lie. I think my cons went down like 25, 30%, but it wasn't a full break, so it was kind of just, a little candle above the 69.90, so I did hold. And next thing you know, we dropped all the way to 69.75. So basically, I did see that 69.70 node light up. We use a 69.95 node for resistance. And yeah, we just could not fully break above the 69.90. Took the puts. We got a little unlucky with that random pump, but got a nice sell. It's funny because Thinkorswim actually didn't cover my or didn't close my contracts. I was only up like, I don't know, 200%, didn't fill, ended up getting 600%. So yeah, it was very simple. Like that 6970 node was lighting up basically all day. Started to grow the 6990 rejection on the chart, and then we ended up getting a nice 650% return on SPX. So yeah, it was nothing crazy, nothing special, just a 6990 resistance node. Downside node was lighting up, took the cons, made money. That's it. Pretty simple. See you guys in the next one.